welcomes you all in my channel Ayushi Science Classes. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my video and don't forget to press the bell icon. अगर आप बेल आइकन नहीं दबाएंगे तो आपको मेरे नेक्स्ट वीडियो का अपडेट नहीं मिल पाएगा एंड प्लीज लाइक एंड शेयर माय वीडियो. इस वीडियो में मैं आपको एनिमल टिश्यू के बारे में बताऊंगी. एनिमल टिश्यू के क्या टाइप्स होते हैं और क्या फंक्शन होते हैं. एनिमल tissues are basically of four types: epithelial, nervous, muscle, and connective tissue. Now, these are the location of animal tissues in our body. Nervous tissue is located in brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Epithelial tissue is located in lining of gastrointestinal tract and epidermis. Connective tissue is found in the form of fat, and muscle tissues are located in heart, stomach, and muscles of hands and legs. Now, the epithelial tissues form the covering of our body. They does not have its own blood supply. Epithelial tissues are of four types: squamous, cuboidal, columnar, stratified. First, squamous epithelium consists of layer of polygonal cells with irregular boundaries. इनकी boundaries irregular होती हैं, proper नहीं होती हैं. And they are also called as pavement epithelium. इनको pavement epithelium भी बोलते हैं. They are found on outer layer of skin, walls of capillaries, air sacs, and body cavities and buccal cavities. The main function of squamous epithelium is to protect the underlying tissues. Second one is cuboidal epithelium. It is composed of single layer of cube-like cells. Cube-like cells होती हैं. It occurs in ducts of gland and tubular parts of nephron. Its function is secretion and absorption. इसका main function जो होता है वो secretion और absorption का होता है. Now next one is columnar epithelium. It is formed of single layer of cylindrical cells with nucleus situated in the basal region. Nucleus basal region में पाया जाता है. Columnar epithelium occurs in lining layer of airways, stomach, intestine, and gallbladder. Its main function is to secretion and absorption. Now, stratified epithelium. It consists of flattened epithelial cells arranged in layer upon basal membrane. This is the basal membrane. उसके ऊपर ये layers arranged रहती हैं. Its main function is to maintain structural integrity. इसका main function होता है structural integrity को maintain करना, and they are found in the skin and lining of the mouth. Now together when we discuss about the location and function of epithelial tissues, they are as follows. Epithelial tissue is located on the outer layer of skin, cavities of internal organ, blood vessels, stomach, intestine, and sweat gland. Sweat gland are those glands which produce sweat. जो sweat को produce करती हैं, those glands are called as sweat glands. इनके फंक्शन होते हैं, ये बॉडी ऑर्गन को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं, जर्म्स की एंट्री को रोकते हैं, एंड दे आल्सो टेक पार्ट इन एब्जॉर्प्शन, एक्सक्रीशन एंड टिश्यू. Connective tissue are most abundant in animal tissues. They are of four types: loose connective, fibrous connective, skeletal tissue, and fluid connective tissue. Now, the loose connective tissue are of two types: areolar and adipose. Areolar tissue form thin sheets and bind skin with the underlying tissues. The main function of areolar tissue is to connect muscles, blood vessels and nerves with their surrounding tissues. इसका main function होता है वो muscles, blood vessels और nerves को उनके surrounding tissues के साथ में connect करता है. Now second one is adipose tissue. Adipose tissue store fat. ये fat को store करता है. Fat storing cells are called as adipocytes. जो cells fat को store करती हैं उनको adipocytes बोलते हैं. The main function of Adipose tissue is to store extra food material as fat for use when required. जब हमें फूड की जरूरत होती है तो जो एक्स्ट्रा फूड मटेरियल होता है जो फैट की फॉर्म में स्टोर होता है उसको यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं. Now second one is fibrous connective tissue. Fibrous connective tissue are again of two types, tendon and ligament. Tendons are strong, non-elastic. They are non-elastic means they cannot be stretched. It is white fibrous connective tissue. ये white fibrous connective tissue होते हैं. They are present at the ends of muscle bundles. Now the main function of tendon is to connect skeletal muscle to a bone. Skeletal muscle को bone से connect करता है. Ligament are strong but elastic. Ligament can be stretched. They are yellow fibrous connective tissue. The main function of ligaments are to connect two bone together at the joint. Joint पे दो bones को connect करना ligament का function होता है. Now third one is skeletal tissue. Skeletal tissue are of two types, cartilage and bone. Now the cartilage is flexible connective tissue. Flexible means it can move easily. Now the cartilage tissues are found between the bones at the joint. The main function of cartilage is to reduces friction between the bones. It reduces friction. Friction को कम करता है दो bones के बीच में. Now the bones, they are hard non-elastic tissues. Bones form the structural framework for the body. That framework protect our internal organ. जो हमारे internal organs होते हैं उनको protect करता है. Skeletal muscles form the framework. Framework means skeleton को form करता है. With the help of muscles attached to them, bones bring about movement. Now the fluid connective tissue. It is of two types, blood and lymph. Blood is red colored fluid tissue. The fluid matrix or crystal is called plasma. Three types of blood cells float in water: RBC, WBC, platelets. RBC means red blood cells, WBC means white blood cells. RBC supply oxygen to each part of our body. WBC are called as the soldier of the body because they fight and kill germs which enters in our body. And platelets are essential for the clotting of the blood. Now the lymph. Lymph is the filtered blood. It helps in exchange of substance between the blood and the tissues. It also helps in the protection of our body against infection. Now the location and function of connective tissue when we discuss together, then these are location. They are found in all over parts of our body. Then function is to they bind, they support, they protect, and through the blood oxygen transport to other parts of the body. Now the muscle tissues. Muscular tissues are contractile tissues. Contractile means they contract and relax, which is made up of elongated cells called myocytes. The contractile element of myocytes are myofibrils. Muscular tissues are of three types: striated or voluntary muscles, unstriated or smooth muscles, and third one is cardiac muscles. First one is striated or voluntary muscles. They are attached to the bones. Bones से attached रहते हैं. Striated muscles are found as bundles and have light and dark color bands. Striated muscles are under the control of our will. ये हमारे कंट्रोल में रहते हैं. हम जब चाहें इनको मूव कर सकते हैं. The function is to they help in movement of bones and body parts. ये bones और body parts के movement में help करते हैं. Second one is unstriated or smooth muscles. They are located in the walls of alimentary canal and urinary bladder. It helps in movement of food and यूरिन, ये यूरिन और फूड के मूवमेंट में हेल्प करता है. एंड द थर्ड वन इज कार्डियक मसल्स. दे आर लोकेटेड इन द वॉल ऑफ हार्ट. हार्ट की वॉल में लोकेटेड रहते हैं. These muscles found as a network and have light and dark bands. Cardiac muscles are also not under the control of our will. Cardiac muscles जो होती हैं वो भी हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं होती हैं. Its main function is to pump blood to different parts of our body. इसका main function होता है वो ब्लड को पंप करना होता है दूसरे पार्ट्स में. Now, when we discuss together about the location and function of muscular tissues, these are as follows. These tissues form the flesh of our body. Body muscles और flesh को form करते हैं. Muscular tissues are contractile, as I already told you. They can contract and relax. वो contract भी हो सकते हैं और relax भी हो सकते हैं. They help in movement of body parts, movement of food in the alimentary canal, and pump the blood. Now, the nervous tissues. Nervous tissues are found in brain, spinal cord, and sense organs. This tissue is specialized for coordinating various life activities of organism. Nervous tissue is made up of nerve cell called neuron. Each neuron has three parts: cell body, axon, and dendron. Now, the cell body or cyton. Cell body is also called as cyton. It is broad nucleated part. Nucleated means nucleus is also present. Its cytoplasm is called as neuroplasm. इसका जो cytoplasm होता है उसको neuroplasm भी बोलते हैं. Now the axon. This is called as the axon. It is long cylindrical process. Now the dendron. These are the dendrite. This is the dendron. Dendrite जो होती हैं वो dendron की branches होती हैं. Dendron. It is a short process arising from the cyton. The ends of dendron are divided into dendrites. The terminal end of axon are connected with the dendrite of other neuron. जो terminal end होता है, terminal end of axon are connected with the dendrite. Its terminal end से दूसरे न्यूरॉन का डेंड्राइट कनेक्ट होता है. दिस कनेक्शन इज कॉल्ड एज सिनेप्स. उस कनेक्शन को सिनेप्स बोलते हैं. So this was all about animal tissue. Please like and share my video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.